Thank you so much, all the members and followers outside there. My name is Udon Fred, a student of Bulu University. I take this time to welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to take you through one of the key aspects that we have in information literacy, and this one we call it Meddley for citation. Remember, we looked at citation in the previous discussion that I shared with you. So it is not far from what we're going to also discuss in this one here. So before that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to understand and take you through some of these key aspects as in the definition. Of course, using Meddley for citations, when you talk of this, it is just like having a personal assistant who remembers every book and paper you have ever read. Once your library is set up, the software does the heavy lifting just of formatting. So here is the workflow for turning your collected research into a policy reference list. So what do we look at here? Members, ladies and gentlemen, there's what we call adding references. So before you can cite, you need to populate your library, and in doing this, there are three ways. The first one, we have what is called the web importer or recommended. So here you use the browser extension while browsing sites like Google Scholar and PubMed. You click the Meddley icon and it will grab the PDF and of course the citation data automatically. Then another way is you drag and drop. If you already have a PDF on your computer, draw directly into the Meddley window, the software will scan the file and find the author title and date, just like that. Then the last way of doing this is through manual entry. With manual entry, if you are citing a physical book or a lecture, you just click add new and select manual entry. So when you do this, of course, you type in the details by username. And then after doing that, there's again another step, another aspect altogether under this. We call it generating in-text citation. So in generating in-text citation, to put citation into your paper, you must use the Meddley site add in for Microsoft Word, which is available via the insert tab or the heading store. Then you open Meddley site where you click the Meddley icon in the reference tab of the word, as I said earlier on. Then when that is done, of course, you come to search. In the panel that opens, search for the author or title of the paper that you want to cite. Then after searching, of course, you can now insert. What do we do under insert? Check the box next to the source and click insert. One citation, there it goes. Then before again moving far after that, of course, you also do editing. You edit. If you need to add a page number, you may want to edit like adding a page number, example for a direct quote. So you click the citation in the Meddley panel before inserting it to the added extra details. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe you're following me and we're still moving on well. Another aspect that we cannot forget to talk about, there's what we call key formatting elements. So with key formatting elements, Meddley allows you to switch between thousands of citation styles like APA, MLA, Harvard, Vancouver, all those instantly. So you move to changing styles. With changing styles, if your professor, for example, asks for APA instead of MLA, you don't have to write anything. What is important, you just go to citation settings in the Word panel, then you click change citation style and select the new one. Automatically, the entire paper will reformat itself. So that also happens. Then we have the metadata correction that I even talked about in the previous discussion. With metadata correction, if a citation looks weird, in Word example, like the author's name is in all caps, you can go back to the Meddley reference manager app, then you fix the name in the information tab, and of course you click update front library. So there you find it also works. Ladies and gentlemen, that is briefly what you do under this. I think with all this, I believe we are good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, I request with this learning, it will make us discover many things. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good day.